Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping skin and making the first deliberate application. Apply fragrance only to clean, moisturized areas so oils help lift the scent. Once done, aim for pulse points like wrists, neck, and behind the ears to warm the oils. Spray from 6-8 inches away and use 1-2 sprays to avoid overpowering others. Make sure to let each spray settle naturally. Do not rub the fragrance in because friction breaks the top notes and shortens longevity. You now refine projection through layering and strategic placement so the scent unfolds properly. First, if you use a lotion, choose unscented or a matching base and apply it before spraying so the perfume binds to skin. Once done, add one subtle spray to fabric or run a spritz on a hairbrush for distant lifts. Avoid direct fabric saturation to prevent stains. Make sure to scale sprays to the environment, 1 to 2 indoors, 2 to 3 outdoors, so you finish by checking performance and knowing how to fix issues. After initial application, test the scent at 1, 3, and 6 hours to learn its lifespan and decide reapply intervals. Once you have that rhythm, you avoid overspraying. If someone or you find the scent too strong, neutralize by applying unscented lotion or dabbing a small amount of rubbing alcohol to dilute the projection. Make sure to store bottles upright in a cool, dark place so heat and light don't degrade the perfume.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.